with DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Yes, you heard it right. The Morning Brew. And welcome once again. The second hour of this radio show. Almost coming to a near ang second hour. We're almost done with the first hour. 10:48 in the morning, to be exact. 10:48 a.m. in case you need to know the time. And the time check this time brought to you by Royal Duty Free. All right, check out their ongoing promo. All right, the raffle draw promo. It's called Tap to Win. Okay, all you have to do is tap to win. Get ready for the most awaited Royal event of the year. All right, the Shop and Win with Royal Duty Free's Tap to Win raffle promo from August 23 to September 15. Get one e-raffle coupon. For every 500 peso purchase, it earns you or even elevate your chances by using your Royal Gold Privilege Card or buying from our sponsor products, snagging additional bonus coupons, okay? So get a chance to win an Apple iPhone 15. Wow! Yan yung grand prize, ha? Isang Apple iPhone 15, okay? And many other exciting gadgets. Shop now and or visit us today. Royal Duty Free. Visit Royal Duty Free, okay? Alam niyo, that's just the grand prize, the iPhone 15. Okay? Meron pang second prize, third prize. Okay? And marami, ha? Hindi lang isa yung mananalo sa second prize tsaka sa third prize. Alright? For the second prize, Samsung Galaxy cellphone. Ayan. Yun yung sa second prize natin. Alright? For the third prize, Samsung Galaxy phone din eh, no? Ayan, okay? So I forgot ilang Samsung Galaxy ba yung second prize tsaka ilang Samsung Galaxy yung third prize. Ito, buksan natin. Ito, ayan, two winners, second prize to ha. Two winners of Samsung Galaxy A55. Okay? And yung third prize naman, naku, not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, 6, 7, 8, kundi 9. 9 winners of Samsung Galaxy A05. Wow, lupit, no? All right? Yung grand prize is an Apple iPhone 15. Kasing mahal ng aking right kidney. Or anybody's kidney. Visit their social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and the official website, of course, www.royalsubic.com. Or you may call them up 252-3258 for more inquiries. Time now for me to give you today's holidays and observances and the famous birthday segment being brought to you this time by Wawas Jr., Subic Bay Freeport Branch, and the Lincoln Heights Subdivision Branch in Dinalupihan, Bataan. Okay? So if you want mouth-watering, best-tasting flame-grilled ito, yun yung bentahe nito eh. Flame-grilled burgers, ang sarap niyan. Quarter-pounder burgers, fries, and a whole lot more. 0927-895-9714. Okay? Sa Subic Bay Freeport Branch. Alright, sa Dinalupihan branch naman, ang Wawas delivery caller text 0927-950-8775. So if you're from Dinalupihan, yan na, may malapit sa inyo. Okay? And speaking of Dinalupihan, if you're in Dinalupihan, you might as well visit the following. Ma, I'm Hungry, Taco Bataan, and Cafe Lipina. Visit those eateries. Nako, you'll surely have a mouth-watering afternoon or evening man yan or lunchtime. Okay, so again, Wawas Jr., Subic Bay Freeport Branch, and Dinalupihan Branch. Best tasting flame-grilled quarter-pounder burgers. On with today's holidays and observances. August 30. Uy! August 30! Bukas! Hindi pa game. Meron pang 31. No? May 31 pa. So walang walang morning brew ng 30 tsaka September 1 Sunday. Ayun, September 1 yung hinihintay natin September 1. Oh, may mga magpo-post na naman ng Whenever I See Boys and Girls. Ayan na, kakanta na siya. Ayun, sabing ganoon, di ba? Ngayon pa nga excited na eh. So ang next morning brew natin Monday na, September 2. Naku, hindi ako makakauna. Pero nag-post naman na ako ng picture na kumakanta ng Whenever I See Boys and Girls. Nga lang yung kumakanta si Jackie Chan. Aside from that, August 30 is also International Day of the Disappeared. Alright? You know, this is like a big dilemma for families na may mga family members, loved ones na bigla na lang nag-disappear, they're clueless. Alam mo, mahirap yun eh. Alam mo yun, yung if there's somebody who disappeared in your family, alam niyo kung bakit? Ang bigat sa kalooban nun because there's no closure. There is no closure. You don't know what happened. Did he died or was he abducted? Bigla na lang nawala eh. Okay? So, did he went into an alternate universe? An alternate dimension? Another dimension? Yun ang mahirap eh. Kaya meron tayong International Day of the Disappeared. You know, to at least, I know it's not gonna bring back, but it's gonna at least alleviate a little yung mga taong nawala, imprisoned, basta bigla na lang nawala, no? Okay? Where people gather to, there are gatherings even around the world to in different places to commemorate International Day of the Disappear, August 30. All right? And also August 30 is Whale Shark Day. Whale Shark. Ang whale shark is we call it yung parang yung what do we call it in Tagalog? Butanding, am I right? Kasi shark is pating, di ba? Whale is balyena. Yeah. So what's whale shark? I think it's the butanding. Yeah, yung malaking-malaki. The biggest creature in the sea. All right? Mm-hmm. And today is also Beach Day. May mga mahilig sa beach. Beach, Dalampasigan ha. Tinutukoy dito ha. Don't get me wrong ha. And the Philippines is known for having beautiful dalampasigan. So dalampasigan sana, wag na beach. Baka iba pa yung maisip ng nakikinig na kaka-tune in lang. Yeah, we have beautiful beaches here in the Philippines. That's what we're known for. Magagandang dalampasigan. Paradise. Pristine. Marami sa Pilipinas. Okay? And today is also Toasted Marshmallow Day. To be honest, I haven't tried toasted marshmallows yet. Masarap ba? Sige, when I get home today, total may celebration sa bahay, I'm gonna toast marshmallow. Alright, we're celebrating my bunso for the amazing thing he did. Galing-galing. Yeah, okay. Daddy mode. And what else? August 30 is Frankenstein Day. Right? You guys know Frankenstein, right? Mm-hmm. International Day of the Cabernet Sauvignon. One of the most popular or most expensive. Naku, mahal yan. Cabernet Sauvignon. Drink or wine, right? Mm-hmm. College Colors Day. What's your college school's colors? I was with Columban, so ang colors namin is sky blue. Yung PE shorts namin, I remember sky blue. Pati even yung PE shirt. Ayan. What about you guys? For De La Salle, it's like green, di ba? For Ateneo Blue Eagles, of course, blue. Ayan. Okay? Yung Blue Eagles, eagle pala yun eh, no? Nung nagulat ako, nalaman ko ang mascot nila. Kasi sa, like, the rivalry with La Salle, sabi nila, La Salle, Green Archers. Yung nagpapana na naka-green, kaya Green Archers. So sa La Salle, Blue Eagles pala. Oh. Kasi may nag-contest dati, sabi hindi eagle yan, parrot yan, sabi gano'n. Bakit nakakita ka na ba ng blue na agila? Parrot meron. Sabi gano'n. Oh, siguro taga La Salle yun, kaya uma-argue, sabi niya. Tinawag nyo lang eagle yan para maganda pakinggan, para maganda tingnan. Pero parrot yan kasi blue eh. Wala daw blue eagle. Wala nga naman, wala pa ako nakikitang blue eagle. Di ba? And also in addition, August 30 is Slinky Day. Alright? Everyone, once in their life, sa mga older folks when they were younger, siguro once upon a time you had a slinky, no? For toy. You guys know what's slinky? Yung parang spring that's made of plastic na you can make it go downstairs by itself, di ba? Yeah, that's the slinky toy. Alright, so there you have it, just some of today's holidays and observances, August 30. Marami-rami din, ha? And for those celebrating their birthdays today, this one's for you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you! Among the famous people celebrating the birthdays today is Marcelo H. Del Pilar. Ayan, mga bata, kilala nyo ba si Marcelo H. Del Pilar? Baka hindi, ha? May nabasa kasi akong article picture ni Rizal daw tsaka ni Bonifacio. This article is from a guy who's sort of like doing some sort of teaching stuff. Hindi naman officially teacher yata. Pero yeah, he showed children that are like between 14 to 16 years old he got a picture of Jose Rizal, and on the other side, Andres Bonifacio. When he asked who is the picture on the right, si Jose Rizal, tama, kilala na. When he pointed to the picture of Bonifacio, nobody knows the guy. May sumagot pa Marcelo H. Del Pilar. Ito nga yung nagbe-birthday ngayon. Kaya naalala ko eh. May sumagot daw Marcelo H. Del Pilar. August 30, 1850 pinanganak. Ayan. He is one of our national heroes. Okay? So, I'm wondering mo, bakit hindi niya kilala si Andres Bonifacio? Eh, mas sikat pa nga yun kay Marcelo H. Del Pilar eh. Pero, we're talking about the youngsters nowadays, ha? Yung mga bata, mga kabataan. I'm wondering why. Hindi rin nila kilala si Andres Bonifacio. Si Andres Bonifacio, if you go to Manila, pagdaan ng Caloocan, di ba may naririnig nyo naman yung bus. Oh, balintawak na. Yeah, yung monumento doon. Yung may hawak na itak. Oh, yun. Si Andres Bonifacio yun. Kaya siya may hawak na itak. Galit siya nung araw na yun. Manunuli siya. Sabi, lumabas ang mga supot. No, I'm just kidding. It's just a statue of him, you know, holding. Kaya may hawak na itak kasi he's a revolutionary. He fought the Spanish back then. Nakipaglaban siya para, you know, para sa kalayaan natin, di ba? All right. So Marcelo H. Del Pilar, August 30, 1850, all right? And Antoinette Toss, August 30, 1981. Si Antoinette Toss is now a US-based Filipina actress, singer, and model. All right, she's my ex-girlfriend's most favorite, her most favorite actress and TV personality. And si Kuya Jim Paredes of the Apo Hiking Society, August 30, 1951. All right, Tony Rose Gaida, TV host, TV presenter, actress, August 30, 1958. Baby Rexa, pop singer, August 30, 1989. Movie actress Cameron Diaz, August 30, 1972, turns 52 today. Guitarist Ryan Ross, he was the former guitarist and backup vocalist for Panic at the Disco, all right? And then he helped found the band called Young Veins after leaving Panic at the Disco. And one of my most favorite richest guy in the world, di ba marami sila eh, Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates. Among them is Warren Buffett. And among them, itong pinaka-paborito ko, Warren Buffett. He is an investor. He invests in stocks. And he is known as the Oracle of Omaha. Why is he my favorite? Maraming reason. Mahaba pag nagkwentuhan tayo kung bakit isa siya sa favorite ko. Pero let me give you one. One of the reasons why he's my favorite, he's very down to earth, he's very mapagkumbaba, and he lives in the same house he lived in when he was young. Meaning, house pa na nanggaling pa sa parents niya in Omaha, Nebraska. It's a beautiful house, pero it's not that big, lavish type of mansion that you will see from the same house where NBA players, football superstars live in. Simpleng-simple lang yun. Isa na yun sa reasons. Simple siya. Nakatira siya sa bahay na minana pa niya sa magulang niya na hindi naman ginawang napakalaking mansyon. Ganun pa rin. Kung ano yung tsura noon, yun pa rin. That's why he's one of my favorites. Warren Buffett. And Buffett pala. Alam ko silent T minsan yung buffet eh. Pero ito sa kanya, double T. Kaya Buffett talaga to. He turns 94 today. August 30, 1930. Alright, so happy birthday, the Oracle of Omaha, Nebraska. And one of my favorite stand-up comedians of all time, Louis Black. August 30, 1948, he turned 76 today. In case you're not familiar with Louis Black, L-E-W-I-S, hindi Louis L-O-U, ha? Yan. You go see his works on YouTube. You will become a fan too, trust me. All right, and movie actress Michael Michelle, she was in the romantic comedy How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days and the Academy Award nominated film Ali, the bioflick of Muhammad Ali. All right, so there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating the birthdays today. You're sharing birthdays with them, all of you August 30 birthday celebrants. And may pahabol pa. There's additional, okay? A couple of people close to me, close to my heart, mga kaibigan ko, friends of mine celebrating their birthdays today. All right? Starting up with Kuya Hisham El Sayed Abdel Rehaim from Egypt. He's in Egypt right now. Okay? So, Hisham brother, happy birthday to you. If you have a celebration tonight, I cannot come. It's too far. It's in Egypt. Come on. But anyways, yeah. Kuya Hisham, brother Hisham, happy birthday to you, huh? All right? And another kuya din, of mine, si Kuya Sunny Sabay. Ayan, happy birthday. Ito rin, kung may celebration ka rin, isa ka pa, hindi rin ako makakapunta. Because he lives in Milan, Italy. Alam mo yun, ito mga Facebook friends ni DJ Tommy G, mga international, no? Pangmalakasan, pangmalayuan. Speaking of pangmalakasan talaga yan, si paring Sunny Sabay. Malakas. Parang model ng Cobra Energy Drink. Pero malaki siya mas malaki pa siya sa Cobra. So Anaconda Energy Drink featuring Sunny Sabay. I-cobra mo mahal. Parang movie. Si Kuya Mel de la Cruz din. Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo, Kuya Mel de la Cruz. Ayan, magaling na drummer. At sabi, Defecator, yun yung pangalan ng band talaga. Yan. Si Kuya Mel de la Cruz, happy birthday sa'yo, pare ko, ha? Have a good one. Next up, we have my high school batchmate, si Ate Hazel Bartolazo Bagang. Ayan. Happy birthday, Ate Hazel. Right? And Team Tourism, si Ate Marlene Gloria. Happy birthday to you. Okay? So, ayan na. Wala na. That's it. You too, I mean, that's listening right now. If you got birthday shoutouts, text me up 0910-6909-501. Everybody celebrating the birthdays today. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to
you. Pasensya na kayo. Medyo sinisinok-sinok tong tong audio natin. Pupugak-pugak na eh. Alright, and once again, if you want to request for songs, be sure to ask for the songs coming from the 80s and the 90s, alright? Dahil Friday ngayon, Friday Rewind. 80s and 90s only, all Friday long. And for the meantime, here's a song from 1991, music coming from the lighter shade of brown. This is on a Sunday afternoon. Goes out to everybody celebrating their birthdays today. Happy birthday!